everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presenta, I bring you Birchbox. Yes, I know I already unboxed a Birchbox for August, but this is, I don't know. I mean, I tore it open because a lot of people don't like the tearing of the cardboard when I do it. So I've opened it already. It's funny because I went on the website just now and I forgot that you're supposed to like customize a box if you want to for Birchbox for the women. And I did that. So I got that coming for September. But this is Customer Appreciation Day, celebrating you since 2010. That's the box. It's a lot different than the box I got at the beginning of the month, which was the box I gave away. So let's get started. This is a Birchbox. I'm going to say this is September of 2019 for the men, although yeah, I think it's September's. This is September's, the box for the men for September. I don't know why I get it at the end of the month. I always get it early. Anyway, I'm not gonna complain. So let's see. Yes, it is the men's box. So it says, what's your mirror routine? And then it has some of those sayings right there if you want to pause it and read that. I don't know if you do. And then all the items that are listed in here, and then I'll give you the prices for these are all sample sizes. How rude am I? For all of you that are new, welcome to mi casa. Bienvenidos. And for all of you coming back, thank you for being here. It's a crazy mess, I knew. Birchbox is they have two different versions. The one for women is $15 a month. The pricing just went up, and I believe their boxes are going to be a little better. So $15 a month, and I'm already grandfathered in until November. I bought a full year for like $80 or $75 or something. So I may or may not continue, because then the new pricing comes up in December 1st would be $15. So I'm not sure if I want to pay $15 for a bunch of sample stuff. The men's box is still $10 a month. I think this is a newer box, that's why. And it has 5 sample sizes, so it's like $2 a sample. Whereas the women's box is $3 a sample. But these are all sample sizes in here. That's what it looks like when we open up our box. And then it says September marks our 9th anniversary, and it's our chance to celebrate the people who've made us what we are, you. We have an entire month filled with all the things from new product launches to crazy good deals to surprise giveaways. This month is all about you. Yes, you. No, I added that. So join the party. CAD, Customer Appreciation Day, 9/18. So there you go. Don't mind my nails. I took them off and I gave them a breather. Okay, so here's a listing of all the items, and I'll start off with the very first thing that they have up here. It's called Billy Jealousy. Billy, where you at? Here it is. Ruckus Hair Forming Cream. Full size of this little bad boy is $16. Apply a nickel size amount to hands, work into damp hair and style as usual. Ooh, this smells good. Oh, I love the way this smells. It smells so good. So that's what the cream looks like. Oh, it smells. I love it. I don't know what's in here that makes it smell good. Something sweet. I don't know. No say. But I think I might give this to my husband so he could try it. It smells good. It smells like kind of cologne-y. Hans de Foucault. They always have this. This is about the 3rd item I've got from them. This company. Scheme cream. Is that what that is? I don't know. The full size of this little bad boy is $23. It can be applied to either damp or dry hair. All you need is a pinch. But what is it supposed to do? It smells good too. It kind of reminds me of it kind of reminds me of the other stuff we just got. I don't know. I don't know what I'm expecting. Shininess. No, it just says this water soluble non-oily hair cream gives you control with medium hold and shine. So it's supposed to hold your hair. I don't know, but it's wrong item. So that's what it is. Full size, $23. Journeyman. Which one's Journeyman? Journeyman. This Journeyman? Yes. Journeyman men's body wash #1, full size, $28. The cypress leaf and smoky cedar scent lingers long after you rinse off. For the 1% for the planet. Let's get, oh. You can smell a little bit through. It smells citrusy. I don't smell cedar. Maybe this is cedar I smell. It's got a little thingy. What is it? Safety seal. So that's what that looks like. This way. And that full size is $28. That, oh, maybe it's a aloe vera I smell in there. So that's good. And then the next thing is Pore Products Skin Renewing Face Scrub, which is this here. And the full size of this bad boy is $26. This face scrub buffs away dead skin cells without irritating to reveal smooth skin 2 to 3 times a week. Gently massage a pea-sized amount into wet skin in circular motion. And you know what? I've been using these, like, safety seal. Safety seal. My husband doesn't use them, so I use it. And some of the items he's gotten in his box of samples, they're actually really good. We are committed to the responsibility of our impact on the environment. 1% goes to the animals, because this one has a 1% with an animal. See, that's, I don't know if you could tell. You could see that little, oh, the little 1%, and then the bunny, and then this one has a 1% with a bear. I don't know if you could see that, but okay. And that was $26 for a full size. And then the Art of Shaving, complimentary. Yes, of course it's complimentary. This classic cream turns into a rich foamy lather that soothes and moisturizes. It softens and lifts individual hairs to improve razor glide and reduce irritation. The full size of this is $25. And I think I've seen this at Target. I think. Or do they have a store in the mall? Ooh, I love the way this smells. This smells good. Let me see. Oh, it smells so good. All of the things that he gets in his box, they smell so good. Coconut acid, fragrance. It has a really good, like woodsy smell. So it smells good. So that's everything that came in this box. I might be putting some of these items in a giveaway. I don't think he's going to use some of these products, so I'll just give it away. This I might use myself. I always wanted to buy one of those brushes that to make the foam in a little cup. I always wanted one of those. So Art of Shaving, full size of this. Sandalwood. That's what it is. Sandalwood. Shaving cream sandalwood. That's what I smell. It smells so good. So full size of this is $25. The Pore Products Skin Renewing Face Scrub. Right there. $26 for a full size of that. Journeyman body wash, $28 for a full size of that. I don't know what the full sizes look like because they don't tell me how many ounces would be a full size. Hans Fuko Scheme Cream, $23 for a full size. Oh, I didn't let you see inside. $23 for a full size of that. I might give it away. I mean, I put my finger in it, but it's not like you're gonna put it on your face. And then Billy Jealousy Ruckus Forming Cream, almost to hold your hair. So I might put that in a giveaway as well. So that's everything that came in this box. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is this something you would get your hubby or your significant other, or maybe even your son, your teenage son, who's gonna just start out with a couple products just to test them out? So that's everything. That's everything that came in this box. So thank you for hanging out with me. I'm gonna show you 2 items that I'll be putting in a giveaway. I may or may not put this in the mystery box giveaway. I'm on my road to 1,500, so I think I'm like 20 away. So share this out. Once I reach 1,500, I'm giving away a mystery box of products. The minimum value is $50, and then it can go up from there, but minimum $50 right off the bat. So I might put these in a I might put these in a separate giveaway, but I found the pink one, so I crystallized this one as well. This one has Swarovski crystals, but this one is empty. Ta-da! Empty. And then I have a blue one. This one has candy in it though. This one's full. I may or may not send it with candy. It all depends, because I don't know if the candy is any good. So that's the blue candy that's inside of this one. So I might do this separately with the where's the little, I'm always losing stuff. I had a little lip balm I wanted to give away with this. See, I'm either losing one thing or the other. You know what it is? I forgot what it looked like. But anyways, it's a little lip balm I got in one of my boxes. So I might give these away separately. See, they were cherry sours and we ate them. So the little giveaway, this will be going in a little giveaway. I haven't announced it yet, so don't worry. We'll get there. But where the hell did I put? Oh, I dropped it. Okay, so the Hello Kitty is going to be given away with this watermelon scented lip balm. Now I smell the watermelon, so that's the watermelon scented lip balm. I think this came in the oh shoot, I just opened it, or whatever box. Fire and Ice subscription. So that's gonna go on the giveaway along with the Hello Kitties. I have not announced it yet, so don't worry, it's coming. So that's everything that I have for you. So thanks for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Until the next one, hasta laterz.